What's up with it, y'all? SES, I'm back with another video. People here. My phone is about to die.
Oh my God, you deserve this, honey. I'm so proud of you. Y'all, oh my goodness. This is crazy. Oh, I'm so proud of you, babe. You really deserve this. You worked so hard. Oh my God. I'm just so proud of you. Like, what? This is crazy. Oh my goodness. My baby. Part one. What is going on? It's so big in here. Woo! You hear that echo? You hear that echo? Woo! Baby did that. Period. I'm proud of my baby. I'm so proud of my baby, y'all. This is crazy. This is so awesome. This is crazy. Y'all, this is what hard work and determination get y'all, period.
All right, let me give y'all a little layout.
Wait, this ain't for YouTube? This is for me. I mean, you can use it, but...
Yeah, I'm gonna use it. Y'all was all excited and stuff. All right, first thing we gotta do is get some gutters. As y'all can see, we got no gutters, so the rain gonna come straight to the floor. And yeah, we can't have that. Don't want no foundation problems. But yeah, we're gonna get a drainage set up and gutters ASAP. Then we jump on to electric. The electric should be pretty simple. It gotta be underground and coming from a pole, so that's what make it expensive. So it's gonna run all the way down, come to the building. I wanted to do a 250 because like 50 gonna be reserved for AC, 30 for the air compressor, 30 for a welder. That's what 160. Plus I got the lift that have it like a dedicated 20. All the outlets around, the lights. So really, kind of at this point, whatever I can get. Well, I can make 100 work, really.
Dollars?
100 amps.
Oh, I was about to say, oh.
Yeah, AC, a couple plugs, and I could be working. But yeah. All right, let's go in.
I'm so excited for you.
Open the door. Yes. All right, I got 10-foot ceilings. It's really 10 foot with the poles, and then at the top corner, y'all can see that big chunk right there. That's like 3-4 inches, so it's really over 10 feet. All right, now this area right here is gonna be like the work area. But this is kind of what I'm using in the garage, and it is enough. But now that I got the new saw, new CNC, the laser, all that's coming in, so it'll be a little bit more space taking. So I don't know if that's gonna be enough space. And then plus I was trying to put a loft, 8 foot, so it's probably come about right now. And then everything over that will be storage. And then back here, at the end of the loft, I'll be like, put some stairs to go up there.
Oh, that's gonna be cute, yes.
That kind of take up space. I don't know my service, but like right here is where I really want to work. I already pictured in my head because I want to see what I'm working on while I'm working. But between up on the wall right here, my table right here, and then the other stuff over there. And then over that would be storage, so I don't have to put stuff on the floor like I do in the garage. But some of the stuff that's in the garage is gonna stay in the garage. But yeah, this is gonna be the primary space for whatever car get wiring or wood work. Then over here, I don't even know. Whatever I feel like.
Whatever you feel like, period.
Then this spot was gonna get a lift. But I don't think the ceiling high enough to fit a lift, but I don't think it's high enough to lift a car all the way up and put another car under there, like what I planned. So that might not work. We'll figure it out though.
Hi,
The more you save, the more you
I am totally decorating this. We finna get signs. We finna get so much stuff. Oh my God, it's gonna be so nice.
I would have went 2 feet higher. But we ain't gonna be here long. This is just a starting point for what I'm trying to do. Yeah. We might take it from here to start at the next spot, but I can't put too much detail. This is, like I said, this is just the beginning of something.
Okay.
Of something.
Oh, baby. I'm so proud of you.
Oh yeah, I meant to tell y'all. Y'all see where we putting the stuff for the concrete, the layout for the dang lift. So I measured it 8 inches past this line right here is where the 6 inches stop. So I highly doubt if we put the lift in there that the end of the lift, like this far side of that post, will be right on the money. But I mean, we could always try with the lifters in the garage, but I really don't want to keep taking that one down. Playing with the integrity of the anchor bolts.
Yeah. At that point, yeah.
But we still gonna try. We'll make something happen.
Sissy, Logan, wait, babe. Go make sure Sissy's not crying. Open the.
But yeah, once I get my drain figured out, then I'll try to work on the electric. Hopefully I get both of those done within a month. Not sure, not certain, but I'm just hoping a month. Then I can work on AC. I'm not buying a lift. I kind of bought everything I need, which was a good saw, because I'm on the floor cutting with a skill saw and straight edge, making boxes and all the components. I really need that saw, the panel saw. The saw y'all see at Home Depot for the people who are wood people. But yeah, I really need the saw, some space. So I should be all right. Now AC is like a must down here, man. 90 degrees, I'm talking about I'm dripping on every piece I make and touch. I kind of don't, I can't go without AC, so that's why I'm trying to push electric more than anything. Fans is cool, but still, you ain't really comfortable. It's gonna slow you down because it's warm.
And loud.
Yeah, definitely gotta have some AC. But y'all stay tuned. The shop is up. Yes, man. I'm out.